So, there's junior developer positions, there's internships, but is there a third option? Stay tuned to the end of my episode and find out. Welcome back, YouTube. I know it's been a while. I've really been caught up with a lot of things going on as far as school and being a stay-at-home dad. It's really not easy trying to having a certain type of balance, but I'm still trying to figure it out. I recently sold my Xbox just because it was causing me too much procrastination. I think I mentioned in the last episode that I was going to sell it, but I finally sold it about 2 months ago, and it's been going a lot better, but still, I'm still trying to find time to edit videos and continue on schooling and also learning to code, so bear with me. I really want to try to be more persistent with my videos and at least push out a video every Monday, just post out weekly videos, so I am going to try to get better at that. But without further ado, this is my week 4 update of Team Treehouse. Stay tuned. Okay, strings and numbers. So let's suppose you want your computer friend to say something, and you're gonna say it in the form of a string. So for instance, let's say whenever I log in, I want the computer to say, "Hello, how are you?" Yeah, that would be an example of a string. Just whatever you want your computer to respond or just specifically put in its output. Now using numbers, all right, careful not to put quotation in your numbers, because it's not going to be marked down as a number. Instead, that number will be labeled as a string. So whatever you add in these quotations are going to be labeled as a string. So the way you want to use numbers, so let's say for example in your program you have, I want the computer to ask, "Hey, what's the user's age?" right? So I'm going to create a variable called age, right? And the computer is going to ask the user, "How old are you?" The user will respond and enter whatever number or whatever age they are. So suppose they're 26 years old. So that number is going to get stored in a database, or I think it's called a database. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they're going to store it in a box called age. So whenever the computer wants to pull out the user's age, say for instance, happy birthday, you're 26 years old or whatever, I can write in a string, "Happy birthday, you are," and then I will write age, and that age will pull out whatever information is in that database, and it's going to say 26, and it's going to be, "Happy birthday, you are 26 years old." That's just one of many examples how you can use numbers and strings and apply it to your program. If and else statements. One way of looking at this is true or false statements. So let's suppose every day you go outside in a t-shirt and shorts. Typically, if it was a normal day, you would always wear a t-shirt and shorts, right? So if today is a nice day, which is true, you're going to be wearing t-shirt and shorts. Now the else statements is going to be your reaction to if it's not a nice day. So if it's not a nice day, suppose it was a rainy day, then you won't be wearing t-shirt and shorts. You'll probably be wearing something else. Maybe an umbrella, a raincoat, rain boots, etc. That was my week 4 update on Team Treehouse and some of the things that I learned during that week. They went over a lot of things. I did touch a little bit of JavaScript and the CSS tools, and that really helped out working on some of my current projects. So in the previous episode, I was going to a tech meetup, and I did find out something really interesting. So remember in the beginning of the video where I said, hey, there's an entry-level position, an internship, and a third option? Well, this was something that I was never going to find out going to Indeed.com or Monster.com or whatever search engine you search for. it was something that was done locally, and the third option was an apprenticeship. And I did apply for the apprenticeship, and within a few weeks I did get a call back. Unfortunately, I was not able to accept the position because I could not find a babysitter in time to watch over my child while I was at work. This is the clip where I went to the first interview and I was called for a second interview, and then during the second interview I had to turn it down, but this is just a clip. Welcome back. I just got back from my first interview from the apprenticeship. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I really hope I get this. I even, as you guys can see, I had to clean up a little bit, look a little presentable. You know, I didn't want to just go there with just a full beard and just a raggedy t-shirt and just show them like I don't care. Like I really wanted to sell. Like I really wanted to be in this industry, and I'm willing to go all out, and do whatever it takes just to be in the tech industry and learn to be a programmer. And you know, sometimes you're gonna have to do things you don't want to do, and I'm not gonna lie, I do miss this. You know, maybe in the future I'll get to grow it back again, but as of right now, you know, you guys are gonna have to deal with you know, just a bald baby face looking dude. But anyways, what the apprenticeship was, the first interview was a informal one, so it's just them trying to get to know you and, you know, see what your passions and if you really are into this. And that's all they really care about. They don't care about they don't really care about what level of skills you have or anything. Like they really just want to know how passionate you are about this, and what are you willing to do to work for them, in a sense. They don't want someone who's just going to be there and just kind of half-assed, or they kind of want it. No, they're going to want people who want to be there, and that's what they're looking for, honestly. You know, there was a guy who had so some of the workers that were there, we got to interview them, and one guy was a straight kid from out of high school. Another guy, he had an associate's degree, and another guy had a straight up bachelor's in computer science. But you know, no matter what level you are starting out, that doesn't determine your success in their apprenticeship, and that's what they were showing us. I'm not going to say the apprenticeship name or anything, but I'm just sharing with you how this company operates. You know, but I just want to share, like, I just want you guys to know, like, there are like different options out there. They might be in a total different thing that's probably similar to that, or a different company A or company B, whatever you want to call it. But that's but those are the options. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and hopefully next week I get to share with you guys my first day on the apprenticeship and what I went through. But wish me luck, and let's get to it. Guys, I really hope you guys liked my video. Please click the like or share. All right. Yeah, this is terrible. Please, if you guys really want to, if you guys want to support me, just click the like button, and yeah. Let's see what this motherfucker does.
Have any questions about video marketing or marketing in general, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. And end your video with a call to... Guys and gals, alright, please leave a... Alright, what the fuck does he say? Oh, god damn it, this shit's so fucking stupid. Fuck, I hate this fucking YouTube shit. And of course, as always, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please just click the like button below, and I'll see you guys next week.